Everest Coin is going to be the biggest crypto project on Binance Smart Chain. Wow! The token features a play-to-earn game as well as a lottery raffle that rewards users with $1,000 weekly. Aba, ay sa galante to ah. Nakakaramdam ako na etong tatlong character na to ay possible na hahadlangan nitong Yeti or kalaban, no? Or itong monster na to. Ano bang sense nitong green glove na to? So nakalagay sa description guys na it will improve your ability to withstand the extreme cold. Siyempre naman, no? Known to affect climbers at Mount Everest, every player will need it. Naku po. What's up? What's up? What's up mga kabit? What's up mga kabit? Meron ako sa inyo i-share na bago pa lang, okay? Papalabas pa lang ito na play to earn na game, okay? So magsisimula na to. Kung meron kang time, well, samahan mo ako sa pag-review nitong game na to. Ang tawag dyan ay Everest Game or Everest Coin. Tara, tingnan natin. Samahan nyo ako. Let's go! So ayan guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa website nila, no? everestcoin.io. Ano kayang meron dito? Basahin nga natin. Everest Coin, a mountain of possibilities. Well, mukhang nakakaramdam na ako kung paano yung game na to pero sige, silipin natin. Everest Coin is going to be the biggest crypto project on Binance Smart Chain. Wow! The token features a play-to-earn game as well as a lottery raffle that rewards users with $1,000 weekly. Aba, ay sa galante to So let's see guys, no, kung ano ba tong game na to, no? Check natin tong Everest game itself. So guys, as you can see, no, meron ditong tatlong character and isang Yeti. What's the connection that links these four together? Ano nga bang connection na meron dito? What's the connection? Everest, okay, famous mountain. Ayan na yung clue. So siguro aakyat itong mga characters na to at nakakaramdam ako na etong tatlong character na to ay possible na hahadlangan nitong Yeti or kalaban, no? Or itong monster na to. So andyan si Snobby, si Yeti, si Sherpa at si David. Okay And meron silang mechanics, of course, basahin natin. Number 1, climbing or climbing mechanic, and then hunting. Okay, so may clue na tayo. May hunting, may farming, meron ding base building at may shopping pa. Nako, syempre may marketplace dito. So sa pagkakaintindi ko guys, kapag ganitong may shopping at may marketplace, of course, meron mga NFTs, no? And yung NFTs na yan, of course, you can buy and sell it sa marketplace nila mismo. So ayan guys, let's keep on scrolling. The challenges, outer space, ayan na nga. So sinasabi ko na, no, aakyat ka talaga. So kung ganito yung graphics na guys, siguro start to sa 2D tapos magti-3D to, kagaya ng iba mga nakikita nating games, no. So again, no, pwedeng mag-research ka din sa sarili mo after ng review natin para mas mag-dig deeper ka pa, no, besides dito sa review ko mismo, no. Weather, ayan. So syempre, consider natin ang weather pag umaakyat ng bundok, no. Syempre, kailangan yan Sino yung mga madadaanan mo? Ano yung mga struggles mo and sacrifices mo while climbing yung mountain, no? So, wildlife, ayan. So, tingnan natin guys yung tokenomics nila, no? So guys, ito daan na lang natin yung tokenomics. 2% interest to holders, 3% marketing wallet, dev wallet, charity wallet, mode wallet, game wallet, burn wallet to dead wallet, and 10% nga yan yung total fee nila. So again, itong tokenomics, silipin natin sa kabila. So ito yung tokenomics guys sa website, no. As you can see, yung supply nila is 1 trillion, and then meron ding burning, may charity, may taxes. Ayan, yung sa team, sa mga developers, sa game advancement, and then yun nga, yung sa dev nila. Kasi importante rin na syempre, kumikita rin yung game itself. Of course, ito yung nasabi ko sa inyo kanina, yung lottery raffle concept. Pwede natin basahin yan. Pero guys, dito ko gusto mag-focus sa NFT marketplace wherein I'm sure na meron tayong mga makukuhang NFT along the way while playing the game. It's either ito yung mga nakikita natin kanina na mga characters, and of course, meron din silang mga gear. Siyempre, pag umaakyat ka ng bundok, may kailangan mo ng mga gear, and may mga ma-encounter ka na mga ibang players na they might help you, no, para umakyat dun sa laro mismo. So guys, let us scroll down, and then Everest play to earn. Ayan na. With Everest Coin, the main feature will be play to earn Everest game. Ayan. Mount Everest has inspired awe and wonder in countless adventures and dream alike. And the Everest game will do the same. Within the game, users can play to earn. Yan. You can earn guys, ito yung EV coin nila or Everest Coin or EV coin and claimable NFTs. So, ayan na. Players will also earn points in form of EV coin. So guys, to cut the long story short, if you see dito dito guys, no, na medyo napapansin ko na kasi siya. So, meron sila ditong green boot, green jacket, green glove, and meron ding Yeti. So, while more will be announced, ayan, i-announce nila sa future, no? And for now, the rest of the details will be released slowly as development progresses. Updates and leaks, guys, are regularly on their social platforms. So, kung titingnan natin yan, drag down natin dito, makikita nyo na pwede nyo mag-join sa Twitter, Telegram, guys, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Discord, and YouTube nila. But again, alik muna tayo sa taas, silipin muna natin itong roadmap, guys. Ayan, so ngayon nasa current stage tayo, website launch, social media channels launch, and kung ano-ano pa. But again, guys, no, kung makikita nyo na itong roadmap na to, ito yung sinusundan nila para syempre sa development na game at para malaro nyo rin yung game. So, ang ginagawa natin ngayon, guys, no, tayo yung nauuna, nalalaman na natin yung laro bago pa lumabas, and it's up to you, guys, kung talagang gusto mo siyang pasukin or gusto mo mag-invest dito. But again, guys, no, bago ka bumili, please do your own research muna bukod sa ating pagre-review para mas confident ka dun sa mga ini-investan mo na coin, and tinitinan mo muna yung foundation ng laro bago ka pumasok or mag-invest dito. Kasi again, this is cryptocurrency pa din. Kaya do your own research din po. So, path to broader adoption, eto na, dito na sila, influencers and marketing. Ayan, syempre kailangan nila yun para maraming maglaro ng game. And then phase 3, eto na guys, syempre yung maglalaro tayo. And then phase 4, ayan na, ito na yung SEX or SEX. So, daan lang natin tong audit. Everest Coin successfully completed a Solidity Finance audit prior to launch because Everest Coin intends to capture the large decentralized exchange, no? Or DEX. In addition to centralized exchange, ito na nga yung SEX, guys. Market Everest Coin has their own standards of trust and credibility higher than the rest. But before that, guys, bago natin silipin yung team, tapusin na muna natin itong, ayan, makikita natin, guys, how to buy Everest Coin. Sobrang dali lang. Ayan, may 10% to 12% slippage as stated here. Step 1, madali lang, MetaMask. Lagay ko yung link sa description. I-connect mo lang sa MetaMask yung game and then makakabili ka na. Dapat may BNB ka to buy the game, no? Nakalagay dyan sa step 3. Add Everest Coin, syempre yung contract address nila, and then approve Everest Coin on MetaMask. Thank you for your interest. Pero guys, balikan muna natin, no? Silipin natin yung kanilang team. Kasi guys, sa isang game, pag sisilipin mo, tingnan mo rin isa-isa yung mga may-ari, no? Kung talagang credible ba tong mga to, no? So yan guys, you can click yung mga kanilang profile para mas makita nyo. Pati pala si Batman nandito, no? So ako usually guys, no, sinisilip ko talaga kung sino yung mga may-ari, no? Kasi syempre, game yan, no? Ako gusto ko, confident ako sa laro. Gusto ko nakikita ko yung mga developers at yung mga partners nila talagang legit. Kasi baka mamaya, alam nyo na, bigla mamaya maglaho ng bulayan, no? Parang pump and dump lang yung laro. Lalo na kung mga developers mismo hindi mo kakilala, di ba? Pero again guys, we can try, we can look, no? And bigyan natin ng chance itong Everest. Tingnan natin kung okay ba talaga sila. And ang maganda naman guys, andito naman yung mga pangalan nila pagka nag-flip yan. Pwede mo naman silang pakita mismo. Ito wala, oh. Kung meron kayong mga ibang questions guys, ayan, meron dito mga questions and nandito rin yung mga answers nila kung gusto nyong i-click itong FAQs nila. Or pwede nyo rin silang makontak dito sa Telegram para diretso na kung may mga tanong kayo, gusto ko yung itanong na hindi natin natackle, you can ask directly to them. So ito guys, nakikita nyo na merong how to buy EV coin dito or EV coin, and dadali niya kayo sa guide kung paano bilhin itong Everest Coin or EV Coin. And guys, ilalagay ko na rin yung kanilang white paper. Ayan, para mas mabasa nyo. Actually, yung white paper naman guys, no, ito ay mas detalyado lang naman. No? Kasi yung ibang information ay nandun na mismo sa website nila. Pero itong kanilang white paper, ilalagay ko na rin sa description para syempre mas makita mo and mas madetalye mo kung ano-ano ba yan. Paano ba laruin niya si David, si Sherpa, si Snoopy, at saka si Yeti? Paano ba yan, no? Kasi syempre, may mechanics yan kung paano siya laruin, di ba? Which sa tackle natin kanina, kaya lang mas detalyado rito kung babasahin nyo mismo yung isa-isang character nila. And kung ano yung mga ways and additional info na hindi natin na-tackle, pwede mo ding basahin dito sa kanilang white paper. And of course guys, I just want to mention na sila rin ay nakikipag-partnership na ngayon sa NASCAR at saka sa Major Gaming. And guys, gusto ko lang idagdag, no, itong mga green boot, green jacket, and green glove. Meron itong mga kanya-kanyang meaning or itong mga NFTs na to ay may kanya-kanyang uses. Like itong boots, no, kapag bago ka sa game, yan yung unang-una mong makukuha. Actually guys, ang nakalagay nga rito kung babasahin ko, no? So, kung babasahin ko guys, it is in honor of the unidentified body of a climber, which is si Chewang Pejor, who died on the northeast ridge route of Mount Everest. Pangalawa naman guys, itong jacket, itong green jacket na to, will become the essential in the coming game. Without it, advancing forward would be hard for any player. So, getting it should be part of everyone's goal. Kailangan makuha natin tong green jacket na to kapag aakyat tayo sa Mount Everest. And of course, itong green glove. Ano bang sense nitong green glove na to? So, nakalagay sa description guys na it will improve your ability to withstand the extreme cold. Syempre naman, no? Known to affect climbers at Mount Everest, every player will need it. Naku po, sobrang importante nun. Syempre, pag umaakyat ka, kailangan mo talaga ng gloves, which is ito yung talagang NFT nila para doon. So, as stated here guys, no, babasahin ko lang itong sa Yeti description nila, no? Helps avoid Yeti attack, thus preserving provisions, food, tent, and oxygen. Number 2, a higher mountain elevations. When oxygen tank is normally needed, the Yeti supplies oxygen. Players at this stage without oxygen could rent a Yeti from other players who have it. So, kailangan nga, meron kang interaction sa ibang players dito. Hence, another opportunity for players to earn. He can help players kill a Yeti, but players lose him in the game if he succeeds in killing one. And number 4 guys, players can sacrifice him to prolong their life in the game. Pwede mo rin palang isacrifice itong Yeti mo. So guys, siguro hindi ko na masyadong papatagalin, no? Medyo binilisan ko na yung review kasi ako excited ako dito. Pero syempre, first review pa lang naman natin to. And marami pa silang development na mangyayari sa future. So at least may idea ka na may lalabas na ganitong game. Kung meron kang bagong natutunan guys, please hit the like button. And thank you so much for subscribing. Salamat sa pagbisita ng channel ko at sa pag-click ng video na yan. Kung gusto mo updated ka palagi sa mga tokens, sa mga NFT games, sa play to earn, and sa mga trading, sa cryptocurrency, guys, please hit the subscribe button and hit yung notification bell. Maraming salamat po sa time nyo sa pagsama sa akin sa review na to, and God bless you.